Okay, I'm doing a cover by Bruno Mars. It's called It Will Rain from my best friend Vanessa. Happy birthday. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine on my door. Cause it will take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. There's no religion that can save me. No matter how on my knees I'm on the floor. Ooh, so keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making. We'll keep you by my side. We'll keep you from walking out the door. Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. And just like the clouds, my eyes won't do the same. If you walk away, everything will rain, rain, rain. I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eye. Ooh, if I was in his shoes, I'd be doing the same thing. Saying, there goes my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy. But they're just afraid of something they can't understand. Ooh, well, little darling, watch me change their mind. And for you, I'll try. I'll pick up those broken pieces till I bleed.